Ayun, what's up? Matagal tayong hindi nakapag-upload ng vlog dahil busy tayo sa trabaho. Pero ngayon, mag-start tayo dahil 1 week vacation. Alright, so pupunta tayo ngayon ng Abbotsford Airport para may sunduin tayo. Alright, let's go! Siyempre kasama natin, Ops! Savia Jane! Alright, let's go guys!
Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for...
Ayun, karating natin dito sa Abbotsford Airport. So pipikamin natin yung mga taga Albertans, alright? So yun, hintayin natin. Malapit na sila. Ilang minutes maglalanding na sila. So ang Abbotsford ay maliit lang na airport. Mostly mga domestic flights. Ayan. So yan guys, hinihintay natin sila. Kakalanded lang ng plane nila with alright. So hinihintay natin sila. Sila yung mga first batch ng Team Alberta. So next batch sa Sunday naman. Right.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh.
So bro,
Hey Jimmy!
Hug!
Hug. Hello. Welcome, Sammy.
Look,
Oh,
look
you
at the
bring
camera.
what's his name? Waldo. Alright, pick up natin sila. Let's go. Home sweet home.
thanks for sharing.